What's up, guys? It's your boy Ray back with another very special, powerful, informative video. And in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about the importance of networking and expanding your network, and also give you 3 key resources that you can use and implement today to expand your network, okay? Did you know that 80% of all working professionals believe that networking is a critical part of success? 80%, right? So it's important that we touch on this topic. Before we get into this video, please be sure to like this video, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel. Comment below and let me know what your viewpoints are on networking. Are you an avid networker, or do you not network so often? Let me know what you guys think. And by the way, if you are an elite millennial in the top 1% of millennials seeking to be the first, will be the first multi-millionaire in your family, this is a channel that you want to subscribe to. I post all things business, all things finance, all things entrepreneurship, and all things crushing it. So like, comment below on your viewpoints on networking, share this video, and let's get right into it. So why is it that 80% of working professionals find networking to be such a pivotal part of success? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you guys my top 3 benefits that I've realized from networking extensively, both on professional and social types of networking, just going out and meeting people and putting myself out there. You never know who or what you might meet. So I want to give you guys my top 3 benefits, starting with benefit number 1. Benefit number 1 of networking is you create opportunities to meet people who are smarter than you. Okay, so when you're actively going out and networking and seeking to meet business partners or even a new friend group, you're creating opportunities to surround yourself with individuals who have different skill sets, different backgrounds, and different experiences than you. And a lot of times, oftentimes, these individuals can make to be great business partners, right? Let's say you're in finance and you're starting a business, but you need some tech professionals behind that business. Going out and networking, maybe you go to a tech incubator event, right? You go to a tech incubator event, and next thing you know, you're talking to this software developer and this guy created an app. Next thing you know, you have a network of people who you can ask questions to in regards to things that you may not be specialized to do business in. So benefit number 1 is you create opportunities to meet people smarter than you. Benefit number 2 of networking and expanding your network: when you're avidly going out and networking and meeting a wide variety of people, you have the opportunity to create lifelong relationships with people that you're gonna have for the next 20, 30, 40 years. There are people who I've met years ago at networking events who I still keep in contact with till this day. And it's really because of this, right? I truly think it's because of this one thing, and that's because when you're going to these networking events, you're meeting, once again, different people with different skill sets and things that they're better at you at, and you're maybe better than they're at. So you know that when you meet these people, there's a value add, right? They can bring something to your table, as well as vice versa. You could provide them resources and access to certain things that they might not normally get access to, right? So once again, benefit number 2, when you're avidly networking and going out there and expanding your network, you create an opportunity to form lifelong relationships with individuals who are intelligent, who are smart, who may have different skill sets than you, who may know things that you don't know, who may have access to things that you don't have access to. So that is benefit number 2, an opportunity to build lifelong relationships. All right, guys, and my final benefit, before I give you some very practical ways that you can build your own network, what I've done myself personally that worked incredibly well, is number 3, you can find business partners. Okay, you can find business partners when you're going out there and networking. Now look, as elite millennials, as I know all of you guys are, We're building businesses, we're taking risks, we're trying different things. And when you go out there and you network, you have an opportunity to meet other like-minded individuals, other elite millennials who are looking to build businesses, regardless of what the field or industry is. If you're in tech, you can network and find people who are also looking to build different software applications or phone applications, a number of different things. So you have an opportunity to go out there and find a business partner. And that's something that I was fortunate to have is, networking. I was able to find business partners and guys to build with and guys to take risk with. And it's tough doing these things alone. It's tough going down the entrepreneur journey without other entrepreneurs in your corner who you can bounce things off of, or who can even, give you comfort during times where things may not be going as well. Maybe your business isn't doing as sharp as it was last quarter. So going out there and networking provides an opportunity for you to find business partners. Going out there and networking provides an opportunity for you to find business partners to build and scale businesses with. So that is the third benefit of networking. So just to recap, the top 3 benefits, my personal top 3 benefits of networking. Number 1, you create opportunities to surround yourself with people who are smarter than you. Number 2, you have an opportunity to build lifelong relationships. And number 3, you can find potential business partners. So those are the top 3 benefits that I've personally received from networking and expanding my network. Now I want to talk to you guys about a few things that you can do personally today to build your own networking group, okay? I'm gonna give you that right now. So you're looking to build your own networking group. This is the best thing that I could possibly give you to build and scale your own networking group so that you're actively funneling potential candidates, potential business partners, potential lifelong relationships, and potential people who are smarter than you. You're actively funneling these guys in and building relationships, building bridges with these individuals. So, by the way, I'm not sponsored by this website. I have no type of relationship with this website, but there is a website out there called Meetup.com. Yes, Meetup.com, and it's a website that I was introduced to maybe a year ago, and I was using it because I had just moved to San Diego, and I was trying to go out there and meet people. And also in my line of work, I was working with Morgan Stanley at the time as an advisor, and a big part of being an advisor is going out there in public and shaking hands, meeting people, and building relationships. So I was also leveraging Meetup.com for that as well. But what Meetup.com allows you to do is join different networking organizations. And even if you want to go one step further, which is what I recommend you do, Meetup.com allows you to build your own networking group, have your own mission statement, your own mission values, and build your own group. And people can go on the Meetup site, filter through different groups, come across your group, resonate with your value statement, your mission, whatever it is that you're looking to do, and join that group. And from Meetup, you can schedule events, face-to-face events where you're bringing all these individuals who joined your group together, and you're networking. You're bringing all these people together and you're finding people who fit your ideals, who are like-minded, who are ambitious, who want to build things and create and generate wealth just like you do, you elite millennial out there. You're finding these people and you're funneling them all in, and you're building a little incubator group of your own. And this is something that I actually did not too long ago, when I have a business partner right now who I've been working with because of it. So Meetup.com, I'm gonna put the website somewhere around me, but Meetup.com, go to that website, and first I recommend just start off joining some of the groups that are already there and getting involved and going to some of these meetings. There's a number of different categories on Meetup.com based off what you're looking for. If you work in technology, there are a number of different technology meetup groups that you can get involved with today. If you work in aerospace engineering, there are a number of different aerospace engineering groups that you can get involved with in your local community. So go to Meetup.com, and first I recommend joining some of these organizations, going to some of their meetings, and then meeting people and networking, filling your phone up with numbers, and then going out with these people that you've met and building, creating, and doing those 3 benefits that I got from it. Lastly, when you're ready to take the next step, Then I want you to create your own networking group on Meetup.com, whatever it's for. Obviously mine was more for business related, finance related kind of things, but whatever your niche is, whatever your field of expertise is, build your own Meetup group on Meetup.com and start funneling people into that group and having, you know, meetings at local bars or at local cigar lounges. That's something that I did myself. Host a meeting at a local cigar lounge and bring these people there, these guys, these women, whoever it may be, and network and build bridges. And next thing you know, you could find a potential business partner, okay? So go to Meetup.com. I'm not sponsored by them at all, but I guarantee you, if you do what I tell you to do in this video, you will build your own network. Whether it's just for your social life or just for business, Meetup.com is a great tool to do that. Lastly, guys, if I could recommend another tool or resource that you can use, LinkedIn is perfect for networking, right? During my time at Morgan Stanley, as I said, I did a lot of prospecting, and I would leverage LinkedIn and I would find professionals in my area and reach out to them and ask them for coffee. And I still have relationships till this day because of that. So leverage LinkedIn, and also Instagram is another great one. I could do a whole nother video on that. But the top 3 resources that I recommend to you right now, Meetup.com is number 1, LinkedIn's also great, and then lastly is Instagram. So those are the top 3 resources where you can start today to build your own network, okay? But all right, guys, there you have it, man. I hope you get a lot of value from this video. Expanding your network and why it's important. I gave you guys my top 3 benefits and what I get from networking. Leave in the comment section below what your top 3 benefits are. What have you personally received from networking? Leave what you got from it in the comments below, and I'll try to get to the comments and comment back for you guys. But there you guys have it. Like this video, comment on this video, like it if you got some value from it, and share it. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel, man. If you resonate with my message as an elite millennial, going out there and crushing it, seeking to build businesses, take risks, get wealthy, create an amazing life for ourselves, man. This is a channel that you want to subscribe to, okay? But your boy Rare, I'm gonna take off. Peace.